StyleWalls. I am Preet and today I have created a beautiful hanging decoration for your outdoor space. Let's start the video. I took a board measuring 5 inch in width, 16 inch in length and 5 in thickness. I marked 2 inches on each side of the board to create a rectangular box. You can increase or decrease the measurement based on your design. Then I join the marking using 13 scale to complete the box and inside it. After that, I finish the sweet home calligraphy. Next, I use molded clay. It comes with 2 packets, hardener and softener, which need to mix in equal quantity. To reduce stickiness, I sprinkle talcum powder on my hands and the board. You can use any brand, even it's expired. I then cut equal portion of both type of clay and mix them until the color become uniform. After mixing, I let the clay rest for 5 minutes. And if you want to take the complete course, you can check this video. After that, I completed dory making. I applied glue to each letter in the calligraphy and slowly started sticking the clay rope onto the letters one by one. When lettering was done, I also added clay around the outer rectangle. I made 2 equal length ropes and gave them a chain like look by folding them together and sticking them slowly and neatly. After the clay dried properly, I apply a layer of gesso all over the board, including the corners. It's important to let the gesso dry completely before painting so it doesn't mix with the paint. After I painted the center area in dark pink, the outer border in blue, and the calligraphy in yellow. After painting, I added leaf-shaped mirrors for decoration. also applied golden color on the clay heart shape in the center between the words sweet and home. Finally, I completed the artwork with mandala style yellow dots. To hang the board, I made 2 holes on the sides using a compass. Since I didn't have drilling machine, I took 3 colors of jute thread and braided them like hairs to make strong hanging support. Then I fix it onto the board. I hope you like this sweet home hanging. You can customize it in your way. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.